When cutting coping for an open curve radius, Unilock recommends the high-low cutting technique to ensure you get equal-sized coping from end to end. This method works great for coping over 24 inches with a wall radius greater than 8 feet. Start by placing the Unilock coping along the curve. For this example, we're using 24-inch Unilock coping and leaving a 22-inch gap to account for a 1-inch overlap on each side. Depending on the size of your wall, you may have to go tighter than 22 inches. Ensure placement by double-checking overhang. Here, we have a Unilock wall that is 9 inches deep and coping that is 12 inches, leaving about 1.5-inch overhang on each side of the wall. Next, place the Unilock coping over each gap. Ensure the edges of the bottom pieces are flush with the edges of the top pieces. Draw a center line on each overlap. These will be your cut lines. Using a 14-inch circular saw, cut through each top piece, scoring 5 inches deep through the bottom piece at the same time. Before you make the cut, try this U-tip to avoid chipping the Unilock coping. Score the back first, then the front, then cut through the middle. This way the piece will break off cleanly. Using the wedges cut from the top coping pieces, prop up the bottom coping so the next cut doesn't damage the wall. Now you're ready to cut the bottom Unilock coping. Remember, score the back, then the front, and cut through the middle. That's it. Repeat the steps until you have all the Unilock coping in place.